tide which flowed beyond in the double cure. Save from wrath and make me pure. Rock of ages, let me hide myself in thee. Rock of ages, rock of ages, let me hide myself in thee. Let the water from thy wounded side, which flows, you'll see the double cure. Save from wrath and make me pure.
Good might be forever flow. Could my zeal no longer know these foreseen could not have torn. Thou must save, and thou alone. You that yet no price I bring, simply to thy cross I cling. Rock of ages, cleft from me, let me hide myself in thee.
Yes, while I draw this fleeting breath, while I close my eyes in death, while I draw this fleeting breath, when I close my eyes in death, deep for sin, Lord, torn, thou must save, and thou alone. Yes, rock of ages, cleft from me, let me hide myself in thee.
Rock of ages,
Rock of
rock of
ages,
ages,
cleft from me,
let me
let
hide.
me hide myself in thee.
myself in thee.
Let the water and the blood from thy womb, that side which flowed, be of sin the double cure, safe from wrath in